So here's a little project I've been working on for the past few days. This is completely vibe coded with Cloud Code. I did not touch the code myself at all. I just told Cloud Code what I wanted, and I steered it a little bit. I didn't use any plugins. This is just out of the box, normal vanilla Cloud Code. Um, so I made this website that pulls data about different countries from official data sources, and it allows you to visualize them. So let me just run through it real quick. So I have a map here. I can click on any country. It will show you a whole bunch of information about that country, and also the ranking, how it ranks among other countries on that particular property. And you can click on any property, and it will show all the other countries and how they relate. And so that goes with anything here. So births per woman, we can see, whatever, the Congo has high births per woman, or what have you. Also over here, you can see, so right now I have Ukraine selected. You can see which languages are spoken, what the religion is, and what currency is used. You can also click here. Now you can instantly see all the other countries that have a major religion that is Christianity, or let's say all other countries where they speak Ukrainian or they speak Russian. So very quickly you can see a bunch of things. Now there's a whole bunch of data, so you can go up here to data, and you can find whatever you want. Let's take I don't know, diabetes prevalence. So I can just start typing it. It will show here. So I can click on this, and it will show you. And the cool thing is you can work on this. You can work on this map. So if I go down here, I click New View. Then here I have an expression for the current map that you're looking at. So you can change this. So you can say, well, I want it to be, let's say, whatever, red for high diabetes, let's say. Okay, so that'd be one thing to do. You could focus on just one region. So let's say we only want diabetes in, like, let's say Africa. So I can go here. I can say area.filter. Filter equals, and that's an expression that if it's true, it will show the country. If it's false, it will not. So we can say area.region equals Africa, and now it will only show Africa here. And if we wanted to add, like, whatever country, let's say we can say, well, only show all countries where the region is Africa, or where the name of the country is, let's say, I don't know, Turkey. And now it shows that. And now I can give that a name. I can say my map or whatever. So now I have my map over here. I can also, let me just go back to here. I can also show, so I can show my map here. I can also show it on the globe. Okay, so now it's showing that on a globe, which is pretty cool. I also have, let's say, there's time series data as well. So if you click on data here and you see, so some of them have a year, only 1 year, or like other ones have a range of years, right? So so you can see time series. So let's say I will take, let's say, is NATO. I can see which countries are NATO. And now I have, okay, so I have a label on here, for instance. Yes, if I don't want that, I could just click here and I can make sure that that label isn't there. So take that off. Now I have a time series here, so now I can change this and I can see which countries were added at which year. So that's a cool thing. Now what else do we have? We have a scatter plot, so you can scatter. You can correlate different features. So this is life expectancy versus GDP per capita. So you can see that as GDP per capita increases, life expectancy increases. The dots here that are green are still the NATO countries, so you can still see that as well. And yeah, there's a shit ton of stuff here, so you can just try that out. Then what else do we have? We have compare between countries, so I can just throw a country in here. Let's say, I don't know, Central African Republic versus Angola, and then you can see how they compare on different metrics. So that's another thing. You can, if we go back to the data here, well, let me actually go here to map. You can upload custom data, although you need to sign in for that. But yeah, so let me just sign in real quick. Sign in, continue with GitHub. Okay, so we have custom data where you can upload a CSV. Actually, I don't have a CSV right now, so I'm not going to do it, but you can upload a CSV with your own country data to show. Everything, by the way, is explained in the help, so if you need any help or anything about how to use the style properties or the data reference or whatever, it's all in the help here. And then last but not least, you can embed these maps. So let me just make a map here. Let me so I have, okay, is NATO, okay, that's that. I also have, I think, is BRICS. Okay, is BRICS I also have. Let's make the colors a little bit different. Let's say this one I will make NATO, let's say blue. Okay. Now I have two is NATO and is BRICS. So now if I go to, let's go to share. So on share here, I see my embed size. And so I can go here. Well, I'm gonna have to make this a little bit bigger to show. Okay, now hang on a second. This is the world here. So something like that. Okay, I'm not sure why that doesn't go all the way up, but yeah, that's it. So now I can add a view to this embed. So I can say, okay, so that is NATO. No, I have a bunch. I have a bunch of them here. Perhaps I didn't save it, but anyways, I can just add that to the embed. Now it's in the embed, and now I can add another one. I can add BRICS, add that to the embed, and now I have two here. That are part of the embed, and I can go over here. Let's add the time slider as well. So now there's a time slider on here as well. Now I can save this, my embed, save. So now I have that here, and now I could copy paste this iframe here. But right now I could just click here and see what that looks like on a different page. So now I have this in an embed. So I can see this here, and the time slider still works as well. So yeah, that's already a video. It's almost 10 minutes long. This thing is probably full of bugs. Literally, this is literally about 15 hours of of Claude coding. So I would say Claude Code, pretty impressive what you can do with it. So yeah, check out geomapper.dev. Let me know what you think.